street and I have approached some beautiful girls. I've startled them actually and disturbed their weekend. Let's ask them where are they from and what they're doing over here.
Yeah, we are from Bangalore itself.
So you're from Bangalore?
Yeah, we are
only?
students, college students.
You're a student. What are you studying?
Engineering.
Engineering. Okay, let's start with their names, guys.
Mahita, my name is Mahita.
Mahita.
I'm Nandita.
Nandita. Acha, it's rhyming.
Rakshita.
Akshita. Mahita, Nandita, Akshita and
Sakshi.
Sakshita. No, only the. So guys, they are no doubt very good friends as I had a previous conversation with them. So guys, tell me, like you guys, how do you find Bangalore? How is the culture over here? Like by culture, I mean to say dating culture.
Oh, it's very. I don't like the culture of
You don't
here.
like? Why is it?
Breakup, hookup, and all.
Breakup and hookup.
Yeah, hookup, and I don't like this.
Okay, tell me one thing. Since we have already, covering this topic, why do you say like breakup and hookup? Like, have you been in that scenario?
No, I don't like people. Yeah, I've seen my other friends
Huh.
Bangalore here.
What do they do? Like,
They'll be with some guy, be with them, then again break up, then
Again.
find a new guy.
new guy.
And I don't like.
Which is not our type.
Yeah.
That's not.
That's not our
That's
type.
not your
Yeah.
type, na? So you guys are Kannada.
Kannada.
Kannadigan. So Kannadigan girls are like they are like one guy type, right?
Yeah.
But
Most of them.
most of them, not everyone.
We can't say everyone. But yeah, most of them.
The most of them are.
Most of them are. Okay, guys, tell me, what would be your dream personality of a guy? Your friends are running away. You can come sit over here.
I guess they need to be loyal.
Yeah.
Loyalty is everything.
Loyalty, but how do you define loyalty? Like first of all, you can't see, loyalty, but
We
let's
need
say.
to travel for a few months or years.
We need to
Travel-
know that
To know
guy
each other.
very nicely
Very
before
nicely.
committing. Yeah.
No, I really like what you mentioned. Traveling is a very good way to know a person, and also you come across many problems as you
Yeah.
travel, and then you realize that whether that person is adjusting.
Yeah, exactly.
And like, what are you like studying? You mentioned you're studying
Engineering.
Engineering.
Yeah.
You're in which year?
Second year.
Second year.
Second.
So,
we are same age.
We are of same age.
oh, and your friends are also
Yeah,
of second
yeah,
year.
that's it.
So guys are definitely approaching you, right? Tell me what's the best pickup line which you came across?
No, if someone comes near me, I just ignore and I
You just shove them off, huh?
I don't like those things.
Guys, I came near them. I guess my approach was really good,
No,
perhaps.
I did not know that you were not like some approaching guy, so you were just asking something.
Yeah.
So I thought
Asking questions like
Yeah.
you just asked in a polite
you
manner.
can ask out for
So,
something
yeah.
else in
Yeah.
a different manner. So
Okay.
if you'd have asked, for sure we would have ignored it.
Okay, but what would be the right way to approach you? Like
Like be very gentle, be very calm.
calm,
Yeah.
gentle. Okay, but कैसे करूँगा? Like, what should a guy say? What should a guy say to you? Like, आपने किसी को
We need
देखा
not to
ना?
ask when they approach us. They need not to ask our number first.
Okay, yeah.
Like,
That's
we-
wrong.
They should not sound desperate.
Correct. They should like create a rapport. What do you say? Like,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
That's nice. So, guys, tell me what is the honeymoon destination for Bangaloreans? Like, for you guys, like the recent events which happened in Kashmir. Like, it's so sad.
That's very hard.
What's your thought upon that?
That
We can't say anything more, but we should be as
being
capable
here,
of-
it hurted us more, and
Yeah.
I don't know how their families would have been reacted.
by that.
Yeah.
And
It's very tough for them to cope with that.
Yeah, and 90% of
we couldn't take that.
that's what.
Yeah.
And tourism has been hurt a lot. Kashmir